Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is szalue.harris, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So guys, if it's your first time here, I put out content on natural hair care, beauty, lifestyle. So if you like what you see already, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and join the family. So on today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I created this beautiful Passiontwist. So if you would be interested in seeing how I created this beautiful look, then please keep on watching.
I know you feeling this.
Come closer to me, and I'll come closer to you.
So these are the items that you will need for this look. I'm using two types of right-toe combs, a crochet needle, some edge control, and this Passiontwist hair by the brand Cherish. So my hair is freshly washed and I placed it in some braids in order to stretch it out. I would highly recommend you to stretch out your hair before you do this hairstyle. It will save you the hassle of tangles whilst you're parting the hair. So I part the hair down the middle and on the side. And then I'm going to be parting some boxes at the front. So I apply the edge control towards my roots in order to get a more defined look. I'll go in with the comb to kind of smooth it out and then braid my hair down an inch or a half an inch down. So I will continue to part the front of my hair with little box braids. So this is how the front is looking like, and we're just going to tuck that away and then focus on the back. So for the back, I won't be doing box braid. I'm just going to be braiding it around. So I'm going to be doing some cornrow braids at the back. So if you see that my parting is not straight, I try to do my best, but I can part my hair straight to save my life. So I did the best I could to get it as straight as possible. So if you have somebody that can do the braiding for you, it will be much easier. But if you want to do a DIY like I did, just wing it, because you're not going to be seeing this part anyways. So once everything is braided up, I will take my crochet needle and pass it through. Then I will take the end of my braid, pass it through the hook, and then pull it through. So this way you can secure the ends and make sure that nothing is flying away. So now that the braiding is done, I'm going in with the one pack of the hair. So as you can see, these are the curls. The hair already come pre-looped for a crochet style. So what we are gonna do is we're gonna open one of the strands like so. So you just want to open it up like this, and then you're gonna take your strand of hair, So this is one option. You can go underneath with the hair and just braid your hair as the third strand. So again, you will braid it down 1/2 inch. And then you're gonna split your natural hair in 2 parts, like so. And then you're gonna start the twisting. So for twisting, I just do this technique. And then just continue to twist, twist, twist. So when we reach to the end, I'm just gonna twist it up with my finger like this, kind of rotate it, and this is how the ends is looking like. So the second method is to use the crochet needle. So you'll pass the needle through your hair strand, hook the attachment on it, and then you just pull it through, so like so, and then you start braiding it. I like to go in with a little bit of edge control to make sure that my hair stays in place, my natural hair that is, and then I will just continue to twist it down. So I'm just going to be repeating the same process. I prefer the second method of using the crochet needle because I feel like it's more secure that way. So I just braid it down 1/2 inch and then twist it to the end. So this is how the front is looking. I've added all the hair to the box braids. And then I'm going to continue with the back. So at the back, we're just going to be crocheting it. I pull the hair through with the crochet needle, open the loop, and then pass the hair through like this, and then pull it. So make sure it's nice and secure at the back. And then I will just continue the process and add all the hair to the back. Easy breezy, beautiful. So this whole process took me roughly 4 hours to complete. As you can see, I went back to the front because I wanted to have a more fuller look. So I just added extra hair onto the hair strands to make it look fuller. So this is the final look here.
Esta vez sentía que era eterno, tus besos fríos como el invierno, lo sé.
This is the final look. And this hair is very light. It's not heavy at all. So guys, this brings us to the end of today's video. If you enjoyed the content, please make sure to hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the post notification bell so you never miss any of my uploads. And until my next video, bye guys!